achieve stunning architectural visions, solve complex engineering challenges, give rise to better steel structures. Your success begins with the selection of the right steel building system and the right steel building system supplier. From steel joists and roof deck to long-span composite floor systems to stay-in-place bridge deck systems supporting transportation infrastructure, New Millennium engineers and manufactures solutions that control costs, enhance performance, and elevate project success. We help build the communities we live in, the places where we work and play, the schools that enrich future generations, and the facilities that care for us. We support architects and engineers, contractors, fabricators and erectors, project owners and developers. Together, we are building a better steel experience. Founded in 1999 as a division of Steel Dynamics, New Millennium began with one clear mission: to be your trusted supplier for steel building systems. Over the past 20 years, we have grown into one of the largest providers of structural and architectural steel joists, joist girders, and steel roof and floor deck systems. Our manufacturing facilities are strategically located across North America, serving commercial construction markets in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. We provide local sales support backed by system specialists and nationwide manufacturing and supply, making New Millennium the full-service partner your business needs. Steel building systems engineered for optimal performance, from the collaborative supplier built for your success. New Millennium. Together, let's build it better.